In this video, I will teach you how to use ManyChat to make money. So let's assume that you are an influencer or you have a couple of followers or subscribers on any channel and you want to make money out of it. So how you can do that? So let's just say you can sell them maybe your course, maybe your product, or simply at least advertise that. So before we begin, you can head over to the link in the description to get 1 month of ManyChat completely for free. So it is going to be the pro, of course, so it's going to be unlocking even more features. So coming back to the point where we can make money. Now, what we can do is we can, let's just say, automate a DM where we are going to be sending a useful item to our clients, viewers, or followers, and in return they need to give us their email so we can use it for marketing purposes. And eventually, once we get their email, we can even advertise our stuff to sell it, or maybe just grab some extra sales or anything. So that is going to be in return sum up as money. So what we need to do is simply click on this auto DM links from comments, or you can also explore other themes as well. We got a lot of them. Now you can see you can also grow your followers, your YouTube, stuff like that. But this auto DM links is something really impressive. Make sure to click on that. And once you're here, you can see we can start fresh. I was working on one recently as well. Let's just click on continue. So this is going to be returning that already created workflow. Now, if you want to start from scratch, you can create a new automation and select auto the template as well. Let's just click on cancel and fresh start. And now you can see we're going to be selecting our post. First, we can click on any post or reel, a specific post or reel. So you can see we have multiple of them. So we can click on any post, and then once we do select that, you can see it is basically asking if you want to switch to the pro version. Then you're going to be clicking on next. So then once we click on next, you can see we have a comment has a word. So let's just say the word is going to be money. Then we can make it let's just say reply their comments under the post. So we can add that as well. So let's just say this is the reply that is going to be added under the comment. You can see a live preview of what is going to be happening once we add this kind of automation. Then click on next. So you can see they will get an opening message. You can also type on send me the link. You can see this is the chat bit is going to be happening. So eventually you can grab their email, and you can see once they click on this link, they will be asked to provide their email and stuff. So I hope this is going to be helping you make some extra money. And if it helps, you can consider subscribing to our channel. You can also head over to the link in the description below to try and get 1 month of ManyChat Pro completely for free, unlocking amazing features. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.